Alright, alright, alright.
For today's video, we have to make shawarma sauce, guys. So I have this one, garlic powder. You can use also fresh garlic. I have also salt, mayonnaise, tahina, and yogurt. And then I have also this lemon juice. So first, guys, we have that. I have also this dill. This is dill, fresh dill. So first, guys, we have to cut the fresh dill. And then we have to combine all together. I put salt, one-fourth teaspoon, and then garlic powder, tahini. So I will put half tablespoon of tahina, and then half cup of yogurt. So I put the half cup of yogurt, and then mayonnaise, just 1 teaspoon only mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So just mix it together. And your shawarma sauce is ready.